but I need some more. Your antics make me bored, cause I just came around to say hello. Oh, oh, oh. I just came around to say hello.
Motorola is back with its latest foldable, the Razr 50 Ultra, and it's turning heads with its bold design and features. But is it just a nostalgia trip, or does it have the specs to compete with other flagships? Let's take a closer look at everything the Razr 50 Ultra has to offer. Design and build quality. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra keeps the iconic flip phone look, but with a modern twist. It has a large 6.9-inch foldable OLED display on the inside, offering a seamless viewing experience with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate. The outer 3.6-inch screen is also super handy for checking notifications and taking quick selfies. Display technology. Motorola didn't hold back on the display tech. The Razr 50 Ultra's inner screen boasts vivid colors, deep blacks, and a smooth refresh rate, making it a fantastic choice for content viewing and gaming. The crease in the display is minimal and hardly noticeable, thanks to improved hinge technology. Performance. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 12GB of RAM, the Razr 50 Ultra is built for speed and efficiency. You can switch between apps, multitask, and even handle some demanding games without a hitch. It's as powerful as most traditional flagships out there, proving that foldable phones can be just as capable. Camera system. The Razr 50 Ultra features a dual camera setup on the back, a 50MP primary sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide sensor. Motorola has added AI-powered enhancements for better low-light photos and faster autofocus. And, thanks to the outer screen, you can use the rear camera for selfies, giving you higher quality shots. Battery life and charging. Battery life on foldables can be tricky, but Motorola has equipped the Razr 50 Ultra with a solid 3,800 mAh battery. It supports fast charging, so even with heavy usage, you won't be tied down to a charger for long. Expect a full day's usage with moderate tasks. Unique features and software. Motorola's My UX adds a lot of customizability and a clean user interface. You can personalize gestures, control layouts, and tweak the outer display to show custom widgets, notifications, and even mini apps, so you can handle tasks without opening the phone. Durability and hinge mechanism. The Razr 50 Ultra's hinge has been redesigned to be more robust and durable, making it less prone to wear over time. This foldable is built to withstand everyday usage, and Motorola claims it's more resilient than past models. With its unique design, powerful specs, and feature-rich UI, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves the foldable experience. But what do you think? Is the Razr 50 Ultra worth it, or do you prefer the classic slab design? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Phonova for more in-depth tech breakdowns and reviews.